when I started designing my outdoor kitchen, I knew I had to have a really big grill, and I knew I wanted a side burner because I wanted to be able to make an entire meal outside without having to go back and forth, cooking something on the stove inside and then grilling something outside. And when I found out about the DCS side burner and griddle, that was a win for me because in my family, we love using a griddle to make our famous Oklahoma onion fried burgers. I selected DCS appliances for my outdoor kitchen because the array of products that they had. They had everything that I wanted for my outdoor kitchen, from the grill to the side burner griddle combo, the kegerator, and the refrigerator. They have such an amazing combination of products that really makes an entire outdoor kitchen complete. I love that everything is matching and they have such great attention to detail. In the grill, they have a light and a rotisserie that is awesome. I love these details and I'm so excited to have DCS as part of my outdoor kitchen. For my outdoor kitchen, I selected the DCS grill, the griddle side burner combo, the refrigerator, and the DCS kegerator. What I like most about my DCS appliances is that they're both beautiful and functional. I can come outside and grab a cold beer from the kegerator, head over to the grill and toss a steak on it, and then use the side burner to whip up some mashed potatoes. It really is an all-in-one outdoor kitchen experience. One of my favorite features is the griddle and side burner combo. It was the only one that I could find in the market for outdoor use, and I love that I can griddle some smash burgers and then also use the side burner to cook something else. I also love the features that are inside the grill. The rotisserie and the light makes cooking any time of the day or night totally possible. I would recommend DCS appliances to any of my friends and family looking to add or upgrade their outdoor kitchen.